and thank you for joining me in a quick demonstration of PZSE's online portal. Today, we'll be demonstrating our full structural calculations process. This powerful tool provides you with a way to expedite and simplify your workflow while providing an industry-leading turnaround time of 2 hours on your stamped calculations. Okay, so let's begin. You can see on our homepage there are several tool options outlining all of our services. Let's click on the full structural calculations. This brings you to the Create a Project page, which has an address bar, coordinates, building description, and surrounding terrain. Once you begin typing the address in, you will see it begin to autofill. This information is used to generate the design parameters that comply with your local and regional requirements. Underneath the address, you will notice that our portal auto-filled in the coordinates. Those coordinates from Google Maps work in conjunction with our AHJ database, which allows us to know the exact requirements in that local jurisdiction. Below the longitude and latitude, you have two drop-down menus. Clicking on those, you'll be able to choose your building description and a surrounding terrain description. Select the field which most closely matches your project. Please note, if you watched our instant IEBC video, we mentioned that risk category 3 and 4, such as a fire station or stadium, will be automatically submitted to an engineer to be reviewed in person. This will be the same case for the full structural calculations. Once you've selected your building description and surrounding terrain, click Next. From there, you'll be brought to the next page where you enter in the project name, number, and client PO. This information is mainly for your own internal record keeping and optional to enter, however it is recommended you fill it in. Before you click Finish, make sure you have entered any project notes you need. If your project requires a wet stamp, be sure to click on the wet stamp checkbox underneath the Notes section. Once you have finished filling out any of your additional information, click Finish. On the bottom right, you will see a text box pop up that notifies you that your project has been forwarded to our engineers. One item to note: if you submit your projects before 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, your project will be completed and returned same day. Projects submitted after 2 p.m. will be entered into our 24-hour queue and completed as soon as possible. If you need to upload documents, click the orange icon on the left-hand side of the Action toolbar. This will open a new window where you can view your project. Up at the top there's 3 tabs: Overview, Documents, and Wet Stamp. Click the Documents tab to upload your calculations, plan set, and additional notes for those documents. This concludes our demonstration of the full structural calculations process. For more information, go to www.pzse.com.